Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this beautiful curly hair routine. First, I start off with the Mielle. This is an oil that I apply. It has a biotin in it and it helps with hair growth essentially. Then I do go in with this Shea Moisture, Manuka, honey, something. Couldn't tell you, the bottle looks like crap, guys, okay? I took the bottle with me when I went to Boston in January. I don't know, one thing led to the other and that's that. But anyways, what I like to do is really make sure that all of the products that I add to my hair, I massage it very well. I then go in, FYI guys, I go in with a lot of products in this video, okay? So if you want, I'll be more than happy to link everything down below for you guys. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard. This is good. It's an oil. It's good for anyone with curly hair. Then we're going to go in with a deep conditioner. Is this a leave-in deep conditioner? I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but I do leave it in. This is the Mielle Babassu and mint deep conditioner. It smells so delish, and you can feel like the tingly from the mint once you apply it to like your hair and your scalp, etc, etc. I do the same thing every time I apply any product to my hair. I flip, I flop, I turn my head upside down. We make sure that the products is in there, guys. Once I load and lather and just apply the cocktail of products into my hair, then I go in with the diffuser. This diffuser, I actually purchased it on Amazon. You can buy this anywhere: Walmart, Target, Amazon, CVS. It doesn't even matter. They essentially all cost the same. I'm not particular about my diffuser. I was just like, I just need something that can just help liven up these curls a little bit. I do like my hair for it to look like a little bit like on the poofy side, especially like in the scalp area. So as you can see, I am massaging. I go all the way from the bottom and then massage the hair all the way back up, going with a little bit of more product because, I mean, listen, when you have curly hair, you have to make sure the hair is like nicely moisturized. Once I'm done with that part, I do like to go in with a little bit of makeup. I was going out this day, so I had to add a little bit of like dimension, a little something to la cara. And if you guys do want an updated, quick, out the door makeup routine, guys, let me know down below. I'm more than happy to do that for you guys. And then I do, once the makeup is kind of almost done, then I do go back in with a little bit of, this is the Cantu Avocado Shea Moisture, what is this? Gel. This is the gel. I'm like, what am I adding to my hair? I don't even know anymore. But yeah, guys, I mean, essentially what I like to do is basically the same thing over and over again. My hair care routine is not that crazy. I go back in with the diffuser once again. As you can see, you can already start noticing that the curls are just a little bit more, I guess, what do they call it? Like bouncy. And just touching up the makeup just a slight smidge for you guys. And this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very excited to be back on YouTube, like I said in my last video. And I was so excited to film this for you guys, especially for all my girls that have curly hair, but not only curly hair, but long hair too. It'd be a struggle sometimes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.